Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? You know what is my favorite part of my face to mess up with? Aside from my blackheads. Every opportunity I get, I'm like, we're here to talk about the brows. The eyebrows. I love how I'm getting dramatic for no reason. It's just eyebrows, Danny. Chill out. Or maybe no, don't chill out. Eyebrows. So a few days ago, I was casually wasting my time on TikTok like most of us do. I came across this girl, oh my god, she does all kinds of TikTok videos, but also she has those series where people in the comments recommend her how to do her eyebrows. I'm gonna let her work speak for itself, like I'm speechless. But today I'm gonna try to recreate 2 of her eyebrow looks, not 1, no, 2. So let's get to work. Eyebrows, be gone. Goodbye my eyebrows. Goodbye my friends. I glued them on very quickly. This took me like half an hour, but that's okay. We're gonna keep on moving. I feel like without my brows, you can't really see my expressions and it's kind of creepy. Am I mad? Am I happy? Am I angry? You don't know. The ultimate poker face. No, you can read in my poker face. She's got no eyebrows. This is my second time covering up my eyebrows, gluing them on. I still don't feel confident in what I'm doing, but I'm here doing it anyways. This sentence sums up my life. I'm not gonna tell you what look we're doing. We're gonna have a little suspense. So we're gonna start off with something simple. Drawing a circle is not as easy as I thought. Wow, I'm getting very confident with these circles. Can you guess where this look is going? I'm gonna give you a little hint from a video that I posted on my second channel recently. Our bubbly bubbles are bubbling and we're bubbling with our bubbly bubblings. Bubbles. Guys, I wanna cover my whole forehead with bubbles. Bubbles. Oh, what a cute word. Bubbles. 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 I'm trying to say bubbles and sound angry, but it's not happening. Bubbles. Give me my bubbles. I hate your bubbles. Those are my bubbles. No, try to say bubbles but sound scary. Bubbles. Not happening. We can't have a horror movie called Bubbles, like Bubbles. Ugh, attacked by the bubbles. Wow. Anyways, moving on to our bubbles. This is the look that I'm trying to recreate. Very fun, very colorful. I think that these are more of like a soap bubbles. I'm gonna start coloring them because the colors are what will make them look very magical, very fun. It's the colors, you guys. It's the colors. The secret is in the colors. I'm adding some blue, some purple. I'm trying to follow what she did. Now I'm gonna take some orange. They're not coming out exactly like hers, but that's okay. That's fine. I think that you should not be like super precise with the colors. They're supposed to be more messy, not that perfect, I think. Now we're gonna also add some pink on the bottom of the bubbles. Bubbles. And I think that the color should be a little more faded, not that saturated. I can also see that she also added some yellow, so that's what I'm doing as well. Okay, so everything looks okay now. I would say that the bubbles from 1 to 10, right now they look like 3. Yeah, I can definitely do something to make them look even better, and that something is called highlights. Adding the highlights in the bubbles, that will make them look so much better. So I'm gonna take literally the tiniest brush that I have. Check it out. It's so tiny my camera doesn't want to focus on it. That's how you know that it's super tiny. But look at it. It's like a tiny little baby broom. Remember my broom brush? Look at them. They're like mother and baby. Really adorable. Anyways, I'm gonna wet my brush, dip it in some of that white paint. Okay. And here we go. And I really want those highlights to be as bright as possible. Boom! Bubble brows. Who needs bubble butt when you can have bubble brows? Alright, awesome. I love our bubbly brows. I think that you can call these soap brows. Soap brows? Nah. So brows. Now you can see that in the photo she's wearing a very colorful look. I'm gonna try to do something similar. I wanna have a completed look because I wanna post it on my Instagram, you know. I didn't spend a whole hour drawing those bows on my eyebrows to not post it on my Instagram. Like, Instagram needs this. Okay, I know that this is going to sound very weird, but guys, I'm gonna say it anyways. I like how I look with bubble eyebrows. I like this no eyebrow look. I mean, it's more of like a no eyebrow, yes bubbles look. She's wearing falsies. I'm not gonna wear any falsies now because I have one more look coming up. So I'm just gonna coat my lashes with some mascara. I'm feeling very bubbly today. Okay, so this is our first eyebrow look. What do you guys think? I wish I could make the lines a little bit more sharp, but that's kind of impossible because my brow hairs under the bubbles are very, you know, it's not a flat surface underneath my brows. I still can't stick my eyebrows properly. I hope you guys like this first eyebrow look. Keep it in mind because we're moving on to the second one. And the second one, it's gonna be very difficult to pick your favorite. So now that I look like I did my makeup like 3 days ago, we can move on to the second look. Ah, my favorite part. Who run the world? Brows, brows. Who run the world? Brows, brows.
Flashback.
Who run the world? Bubbles, bubbles. Who run the world? Bubbles, bubbles.
End of flashback.
Oh yeah, cover them up. Cover them up. I need someone to make a song for the brows. Like, can we do that? I can't believe I'm putting myself on the internet looking like that. Anyways, I've looked worse. So for this next look, we are gonna start off by doing something like this. Okay, this one should be easy to guess, and to make it even easier for you to guess, I have the perfect earrings to suit this eyebrow look. Is that helping? My white paint is mixing with the concealer that I have all over my eyebrows, and it's coming out this muddy beige color, so I'll need to work on that. So, what do you want for Christmas, my child? I'm gonna show you here next to me the original video where I got my inspiration from. It's again the same girl, Lil Bitty Livy. So I'm gonna start adding the shades. Underneath the cloud here, it's kind of dark. I like adding the shadows first and then the highlights. I feel like with this look, it's all about the little details. The shadows, the highlights. That's what will make the cloud look more 3D. By the way, for the previous look, I'm not sure if I mentioned that, guys, but I used the Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette for my eyes by Morphe. Such a cute eyeshadow palette. My favorite part when drawing something is when I'm adding the highlights. Adding the highlights, it just makes everything come to life. The shadows as well, but I like the highlights a little bit more than the shadows. Yeah, I think that you can say that today my head is in the clouds. Oh my god, you guys, I'm dying to do a cloud unibrow. I really want to connect those clouds, like, bloop. Look how close they are to each other. Look, they're almost touching each other. I'm really trying to crush them into each other and create a thunder. Thunder! Ooh, thunder! I also have that urge to draw a rainbow. Ah, you guys, I'm feeling so under the weather today. I don't know, I'm in a really gloomy mood today. I don't know why. I kind of want to draw rain all over my face, like just falling down my face. Oh my god, I scratched myself with my nail. Okay, so you can see also in her final look, she's wearing some blue eyeshadow, so I'm gonna follow that as well. I'm gonna use that same Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette. I wanted to use this shade right here, but she's wearing something a little more teal. So, and this is like blue, it's not teal, you know? You get it. I know you guys get it. You always do. Oh no, this has too much green in it. It's more of like turquoise, not so much teal. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, this is saving it. This is saving it. This is again an eyeshadow palette by Morphe. I love the fact that she's not wearing any eyeliner. This makes my life so much easier. I still have some pink eyeshadow from that previous look along my lashes. Just pretend that it's not there. I'm not gonna try to perfect the eye look too much because today we're focusing on the eyebrows. The clouds are throwing shade on my makeup. Well, if you don't like it, just say it. I hope it's not raining today because it's gonna mess up my makeup. Now, the moment of truth. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments which was your favorite eyebrow look. Bubbles or clouds? I know it's tough, I know, and I'm sure that some of you will be like, I like both of them. That's fine, but I'm sure you like one of them a little more than the other. So I want you to let me know which is your favorite look. Which eyebrows do you like more? Eyebrows! Ooh, eyebrows! If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. That definitely helps me a lot, and you can also check out my second channel. I think I'm posting cooking videos on there. I don't know what I'm doing on there, but it's a lot of fun. You can go and check it out. It will be right here below me. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.